Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows taskbar transparent. So the first thing that you need to do is just be on your desktop right here on basically your main page, and what you need to do is just hit the R button and the Windows button at the same time. This will open up a thing just like this, and you will want to paste this text, which is ms line settings, two dots, personalization. Once you've typed in that, you just want to hit OK, and it should take you to a page like this. Once we are here, on the left side you should see a bunch of options. Here we are going to select colors, and now you have a bunch of options again. Now we can select our color if you want a dark mode on your computer. And the main thing that we are looking for is transparency effects that you want to have turned on. This will allow you to have a transparent taskbar, as you can see right here. And again, you can change out your colors, show accent color on the following surfaces: start, task, and action center, title bars, and window borders. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.